What's going on, guys? I've got here a 2005 Ford Freestyle, and I'm going to use this car to show you how to change your turn signal, your parking light, your headlight, low beam, high beam, also your fog light. So to begin, we're going to check out the headlight. Real simple to get to. We can get a better view from the back here. So there is an electrical connection, and the bulb itself is twisted into the assembly. You can disconnect the connector first if you choose. You just push on this piece here while you pull away. And try not to pull on the wires because that can damage the wires or the connector. You're going to want to pull on the connector itself. So I've got that out. And this is the piece that I'm pushing on. With the connector removed, take this opportunity to inspect the pins. Make sure that they are clean and free of corrosion. Sometimes a perfectly good headlight will not work because of the pins burning out. Now this piece, you just rotate it counterclockwise. It can be in there quite firmly, so you may have to put a lot of pressure on there. You may even have to get some pliers on there, to be perfectly honest. And this is the headlight bulb. We're going to pull it out. Make sure that it comes out with the gasket. Sometimes the gasket will stick to the housing here. And like I said, this is an H13 bulb. When you install your new bulb, make sure to not touch the glass, as that can lead to premature failure. And you're going to have to move it around until you get it indexed properly. They can only go back in one way, and you turn it clockwise to lock it. And with that locked in there, of course, we can reinstall our pigtail or connector. And some people like to put dielectric grease on there. So that covers it for the headlights. Now the turn signal / parking light bulb, it's pretty much an identical procedure. We can barely see down through here. Let's see, there it is right there. So that's the piece that you grab, and unlike the headlight, you don't have to disconnect that. So I'm just gonna reach in here, got my arm like this, and you can barely see through here perhaps. But just twist this piece and out she comes. And this is a 3157. Much like the headlight, inspect the pins for corrosion. And new bulb, you can touch the glass on these. I'll say it's okay to do that because these don't get nearly as hot. And you can see that's the hole where it goes in at. Now moving on to the fog light. The bulb part number for that is H11. And we're going to pop down in here. And that just rotates and comes out. So pretty much the same way. And the connector's a little different, but you get the idea. I do have another video about the fuses and the relays for your headlights and your fog lights and everything. So definitely check that out if you've changed your bulbs but your headlights aren't working. So yeah, I hope this info was helpful, and thanks for watching.